Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 18. How to increase ad bid at a certain age. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to increase ad bid at a certain age, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select All Campaigns and then select Campaigns. From the list, select one campaign, then select Demographics. Here you see age lists with bid adjustment. Now click on this small Edit button beside Bid Percentage. Here we have all different age range, and from Edit panel, you can increase or decrease your bid. Let's increase it by 10% over here and click on Save button. So now you can see that for age 18 to 24, the bid has increased by 10%. Let's edit for 50 to 64 years, here select Decrease by 60% and save it. When you click on Question button, here you can see information about bid adjustment, what it is. With bid adjustments, you can increase or decrease your keyword bid for people who match your targeting criteria. So you just need to click on this Edit button and select Increase or Decrease from the list, then enter your percentage and save. So this is how you can increase ad bid at a certain age. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 19. How to increase ads in certain countries. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to increase ads in certain countries, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.